We all love to lose weight, but sometimes it's impossible to spend time in the gym and work out. But if I say you can lose weight while sleeping, you may feel I am joking. No, you can lose weight while sleeping. We'll discuss 15 tips to help you lose weight while catching some sleep. 1. Eating a light dinner. Consuming a smaller meal in the evening can help prevent weight gain and encourage weight loss while sleeping. 2. Avoiding late-night snacking. Late-night snacking can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to weight gain. 3. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day can help regulate hormones and promote weight loss. 4. Getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to ensure your body has enough time to repair and rejuvenate. 5. Incorporating physical activity into your daily routine. Regular exercise can improve sleep quality, which can lead to weight loss. 6. Reducing stress. High levels of stress can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to weight gain. 7. Practicing yoga or meditation. Incorporating these practices can help reduce stress and improve sleep quality. 8. Using the right bedding. Investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows can help improve sleep quality. 9. Keeping your bedroom cool. A cool bedroom can promote deeper sleep, which is essential for weight loss. 10. Reducing caffeine and alcohol consumption. Consuming these substances can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to weight gain. 11. Eat fewer spice things. Sleep is essential for a healthy lifestyle, and eating fewer spicy things before bed can help promote better quality sleep. 12. Eating foods that promote sleep. Consuming foods such as cherries, kiwi, and almonds can help promote sleep and weight loss. 13. Drinking water before bed. Staying hydrated can help improve sleep quality and promote weight loss. 14. Walk up early in the morning. Walking up early in the morning can help you to start your day off right and can help you to stay energized and productive throughout the day. 15. Adding fiber to your diet. Adding fiber to your diet is a great way to ensure a healthy, balanced diet. Fiber helps to keep your digestive system healthy and helps to promote regularity. Thanks for watching.